I understand, sabi rin po ni Congresswoman Zamora, I think during the weekend press con, ready daw po yung prosecution to present at least 2 witnesses a day.
Yes, but again, we will see. Siyempre, depende ho yan, no, on a per witness basis. Depende ho kung gaano katagal ang abutin no, sa kanyang direct examination, cross-examination, kung papayagan ho. No, na or if necessary, magkakonduct pa kami ng redirect. Sila din, pwede pang mag-recross. And makita din naman natin, minsan nagkakaroon din ho ng mga debate about some legal issues no before the witness takes the stand or minsan during no mahirap pong pangunahan, but if there's enough time then we can do that.
How long po kaya tatagal yun itong talaman for this Article 4? And how many witnesses for Article 4?
For the grave threats, we were given 11 days to present witnesses. No, but we hear no the sentiment of some of the senator judges no that it will be better to abbreviate the proceedings no at kami din naman no gusto din naman namin tong matapos sa lalong madaling panahon. Ayaw na naman namin tong patagalin unnecessarily no, but of course without sacrificing our ability to properly, efficiently and effectively present evidence. But bawat ho pagkatapos namin magpresenta ng testigo na ebidensya, nagkakaroon ho kami lagi ng assessment para makita ano na ang mga importanteng bagay na natalakay ng aming witness at ano pa ang kinakailangan. No? So, we will make adjustments. Maaari hong yung mga ibang witnesses na listed sa aming pre-trial brief ay hindi na namin patawag kung ang intended testimony nila ay natalakay na ng mga naunang testigo. Dahil yan naman ho ang goal din natin, kung maaaring mas mapaiksit, mapabilis natin itong paglilitis na to, we will try to do that.
Pero out of 60 po, ilan po yung prepared for that?
11 trial dates for grave threats, no? So far, we've just presented one. We'll be presented another one today. So, as we've stated, no, titignan natin. We'll make the necessary adjustments kung pwedeng hindi na namin ipatawag yung mga ibang testigo na nalista namin para mas mapabilis ho ito.
Attorney Tolosa, follow-up lang po sa question ni Ate Marian. Hoping ba kayo na hindi kayo aabot ng Pasko or bagong taon, ito pong impeachment trial? Kasi sabi po ni Senator Ping Lacson, kapag hindi po binago or hindi pinabilis yung pong trial, magpapasko po talaga kayo na mayroong paglilitis. Thank you po.
We'll do our part no, in making sure that this could be expedited, no? Again, to the extent reasonably possible. Siyempre, hindi din naman ho usapan ditong pabilisan, no? Importante din ho dito mailatag ng mabuting ebidensya dahil napakaseryoso ho ng pinag-uusapan natin ng mga charges dito. So, but at the same time, we're cognizant of that fact, no? Na gusto natin pare-pareho matapos to ng mas madaling sa mas madaling panahon. So, susubukan ho natin yan, pipilitin ho natin yan.